Welcome back. In this video tutorial, we have to find the value of root 6.4 minus root 4.9. So let's get started and find its solution. In the very first step, we will multiply and divide by 10 to both numbers which are in the square root. Minus root 4.9 times 10 over 10. If we multiply 6.4 and 10, it will give us 64. Root 64 divided by 10 minus 4.9 times 10 is 49 divided by 10. Writing numerator and denominator separately in the square root. We know the value of square root 64 is equal to 8 and the value of root 49 is equal to 7. In the next step, we will multiply and divide both numbers by root 10 times root 10 by root 10 minus 7 by root 10 times root 10 divided by root 10. We can factor out root 10, so inside bracket we have 8 minus 7 and in the denominator we have root 10 square. Square and root will cancel out, we have 10 only. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1, so root of 10 times 1 divided by 10, which means root of 10 divided by 10, and that is equal to 1 over root of 10. That is the final and required value of this question. I hope it is clear. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.